Hi, this is Ezekiel again, your Messenger bot guide. Today, I will show you how to set Messenger engagement plugins to your website. With this feature, it will be easy for you to plug in a support chat with your clients directly to your website with your Facebook Messenger. Before we start, I would really appreciate if you like, subscribed, and share this video. Without further ado, let's go to our Messenger bot application. Now, for us to go to Messenger engagement, let's look for Messenger bot here. Once you click this, you will see the Messenger engagement. Now, once you click Actions, you will see we have a Checkbox Plugin, Send to Messenger plugin, m.me link plugin, and Customer Chat plugin. First, we will go to Checkbox Plugin. Now, to create one, just click Create Plugin. Select your page that you want to use here. This is the domain where you want to embed this plugin. Domain must have HTTPS. The plugin will be loaded in this language. Now the plugin skin. Light skin is suitable for pages with dark background, and dark skin is suitable for pages with light background. Now the center align, choosing yes will make the plugin align center, otherwise left. Then the plugin size. Overall plugin size here, the small, medium, large, or extra large. Now here, the redirect to a web page on successful opt-in. Check if you want to redirect to a web page on successful opt-in. Now here, in the opt-in success message in website, this message will be displayed after a successful opt-in. Keep it blank if you don't want to change the message here. Now the checkbox validation error message, this message will be displayed if checkbox is not checked. Now here in the opt-in confirmation message template, this content will be sent to the Messenger inbox on opt-in. You must select page to fill this list with data. You can create one from the Postback Manager. Also, please note that first name and last name in template will not work. Then just put a unique reference to track this plugin later. You can change this. Then, subscriber obtained from this plugin will be enrolled in these labels. You must select a page to fill the list with this data. Once you enter all these informations here, just click Generate Embedded Code. Now, this is the JavaScript that you will use on your website. Now, as you can see, we have successfully created a checkbox plugin here. Here, you can get the JS code or the JavaScript code here. And also, you can edit this plugin and delete it. Now, let's go to the second plugin, which is the Send to Messenger plugin. To create one, just click Create Plugin. Now, select the page we want to use here, and also the domain we want to use the plugin, the language, then the button text. You can choose a CTA button text from the CTA list. We have get this in Messenger, receive this in Messenger. You just choose what you want here. Then the plugin skin, white or blue. Then the plugin size. Now check if you want to redirect to a website on successful opt-in. Then this will be the message that will be displayed after a successful opt-in. Now, here's the postback template for the confirmation message template here. Then the reference and also the label. Then click Generate Embedded Code. Then this will be your Send to Messenger plugin code. Now, let's go to the third plugin, the m.me link plugin. Let's create a plugin for this. Then, select the page that we want to use. This. Then the button text here. System will create a new button that will take visitors to m.me link here. Now the button background color, the button text color here, the new background hover color here, then the new button hover text color here. Then the button size, small, medium, large, or extra large. Now the same as before or the other plugins, the postback template here for confirmation message, the reference, then the label. There. This is our JavaScript embedded code for our m.me plugin. Or this is the m.me link. This is the QR code and the JavaScript code. Now, let's go to the last one, the customer chat plugin. Just select the page that you want, the domain, the language you want your plugin to be displayed, the chat plugin loading, hide, show, or fade, then the plugin or the loading delay. The plugin will be loaded after a few seconds if you enter a number here. Then the theme color and also the do not show if not logged in here. Now here is the greeting text that will be displayed in the user currently logged in to Facebook. The maximum characters that you can use here are 80. Now here in the greeting text in logout, the greeting text that will be displayed if the user is currently logged out into the Facebook. Now the postback template here, the reference, then the label. Now that is your JavaScript embedded code. Okay, now I've tackled all of the plugins that we can use to your website. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you have any suggestion about Messenger bot, please do not hesitate to comment it down in the comment section below. That's it for today. I wish you guys a very wonderful day. Bye.